Hey guys, meteorologist Kevin Jeans here. We have a heat advisory that's in effect until 8 o'clock. So the heat index will be up to around 100 degrees. So upper 90s. Could feel like it's around 98, 99 degrees this afternoon. And we'll see the sun out throughout the rest of today as well. So wear sunscreen and drink plenty of water here. It's going to be a hot day today. Now tomorrow for Tuesday, high temperature around 91 degrees. The heat index won't be quite as high. Humidity just a touch lower Tuesday compared to today. It's not a big change, but just a touch lower. And then we cool down Wednesday 82, Thursday 77. And this will all be behind a cold front that could bring some strong storms then late Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. So this is Tuesday at 9 a.m. and a chance of a couple of showers mainly north of I-69 Tuesday morning. And then the rest of the day looks dry. And then here's the cold front that'll be moving in from the west-northwest. So essentially watching a couple of lines of storms that could move in, and it still looks like it would be after midnight Tuesday night through Wednesday morning, and then again Wednesday evening or Wednesday late afternoon. Throughout the evening could have more showers and thunderstorms. So that as cooler air is going to be moving in. So high temperatures around 90 degrees for today and tomorrow. But by Wednesday, 82, Thursday, 77. And it's going to be a really nice end to the week. Thursday and Friday mornings, many of us are going to be in the 50s. And low humidity with highs generally in the upper 70s. It's going to feel great both Thursday and Friday. Saturday, we have a slight chance of some afternoon and evening showers and storms. Some could last through Saturday night. And then Sunday, a chance of showers in the morning and afternoon. But it's hot. It is humid today and tomorrow. Will cool down, though, after some rain here Wednesday.